Hi, Kevin Runlet with Runlet Law Firm. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the different types of civil cases in Mississippi that are out there that an attorney might need to help you with, just so you know the different categories. Now, there are many types of civil law cases, but we're only going to get into the personal injury type law cases and the different categories of those. If you enjoy these videos, if they give you any benefit, we really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button below, like us, and then you'll get the notifications when a new video comes out. So the first category of a personal injury type case that most people are familiar with is a car wreck or a vehicle related accident. Now, there are different types of vehicle accidents. There's a car on car accident. There's a one car accident type cases. Sometimes those may not be a case that an attorney could get involved with if you can't show that someone else did something stupid. That's called negligence to cause an injury or cause an accident. But there are also 18-wheeler accidents. There are motorcycle accidents. There are anything involving a motor vehicle. You can have another category of an injury case would be a slip and fall. You hear about people walking into a big store and something being spilled on the floor. It's been there for a while. The person doesn't see it. It's not open and obvious. If they step in it, slip, and injure themselves, there could be negligence on that store for not taking care of that spillage or whatever caused the slip and fall. Again, these are just general kind of categories with personal injury cases that we see and that we've handled in the past that you may want to talk to an attorney about if you or your loved one is involved in anything like this. Another one that we've seen and handled is an assault case where, it could be a premises liability case, meaning the one that I'm thinking of that we handled in the past, a young lady was on a private business parking lot, and there was a shooting, and she was not in any way, she was just a bystander, and she got shot by some criminals that were coming through and opened fire on each other, and she just got hit on the side. So that was a case that we handled, and if you can prove that the business didn't have adequate security, if they knew that there was a problem in the area, which there was in this area, and they didn't take the proper steps, that could be negligence on that business for not taking care of the security of their premises. So assaults, even if it happens at someone's house, if someone assaults you, they may have coverage through their homeowner's policy that would cover that. You have to find that insurance. Another type case would be a medical malpractice where a physician does something wrong, does something negligent. These cases can be very difficult to prove. They're very document intensive. You have to have proper proof as far as that's concerned, but there are viable cases. Doctors are humans too, and they make mistakes, and sometimes they do dumb stuff. So another one would be maybe a chemical burn that happens that's not at work. So these are all non-work related personal injury type cases that you might see. If it happens at work, of course, we do a lot of workers' compensation representing injured workers, and if it happens at work, well, that takes it out of the civil realm, because they're two different types of cases. There's the civil cases here, and then there's the workers' comp cases here. Our law says if it happens at work, it's got to be under workers' comp. If it's outside of work, then obviously it's not, and that's a general personal injury type case. So I hope this clears up a few things for you. If you need anything, feel free to let us know.